Got Chef Greg Gamble on the show. Joe is outside live with him right now. Hey, Joe.
What's up, Michael? So props to Chef Greg Gamble for heating up this grill for multiple reasons. One, because we're going to have some good food, and two, for the warmth that it is providing. But Greg, great to see you once again.
Hey, great to see you.
All right, man, you've got a great display, and this is going to be a very healthy meal this morning.
Meal.
Tell the folks a little bit about what you're going to cook today.
Okay, today we have some salmon and we have asparagus. We're doing a grilled salmon with a honey glaze. All right, well, of course, first thing,
got to glove up.
Got to glove up.
So while you're gloving up, let's talk a little bit about what you provide as a chef. Tell the folks a little bit about what you do there, Chef Greg.
I do private events, catering events, meal preps, or anything you need, really. There's nothing you can call me for that I can't handle.
So how can folks get in contact with you if they're looking for something over this holiday season, or perhaps some New Year's resolutions come the new year, eating healthy, things like that? Tell us a little bit about that.
You can reach me at cardinarinarcos@gmail.com, and you can also reach me at Instagram at chef.greg_.
Very cool. So tell us a little bit about your experience as a chef. You've been doing this for a while now.
Actually been cooking since I was 16.
Yeah.
And it's a great experience. I honestly can't see myself doing anything else with my life. And mainly because the main part is food makes everyone happy.
No doubt.
I don't care who you are or what you do. Once you eat, you're in a better mood.
I hear that. All right, so tell the folks what you're putting in that mixture there.
All right, today we have some brown sugar. We have some cayenne, salt, onion powder, and a little smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika is a good stuff. That's going to add a lot of flavor to it,
Add a whole bunch of flavor. And you want to go light on the cayenne because it is very spicy.
I like a little bit of heat to it, and those are some nice salmon fillets you got there, man. Those are looking great.
I actually got these from Publix.
There you go.
You can get them from Publix, Walmart, and of course I suggest that you go to your local seafood market.
Sure.
And over here we have some asparagus. I rub those guys down with some olive oil and hit them with a little salt. And before you apply your seasoning to your salmon, you want to hit it with a little olive oil also.
Okay.
And I also got this from Whole Foods. It is a lemon infused and Mediterranean herb olive oil. It's real good. It has a real nice flavor.
Yeah, lots of people might like to mix a little bit of lemon with salmon, so you're going to get some of that mixture in there too. That's going to add some additional flavor in addition to that seasoning mix you have going on. Any tips for grilling asparagus?
It doesn't take long.
Yeah.
I like mine to have like a nice little crunch to it.
Yeah, a little char on there?
Little char, nothing too much. So I just say a little couple of minutes. Make sure you hit it with some olive oil. Other than that, it will burn. So hit it with some type of oil or some type of fat to keep it from sticking and burning.
All right, so you're gonna add that seasoning mix to there. One more time before we go. We're gonna come back for segments 2 and 3, but before we go for that one, a reminder of how they can contact you to set up their cooking experience with Chef Greg.
You can reach me at cardinarinarcos@gmail.com and also on Instagram at Chef Greg.
All right, and we'll have that information online shortly after the program. We're gonna let you to continue to work on that. We're gonna hope that this rain holds off. We're feeling a little bit of light drops out here, but not too bad. Can't wait to get this on the grill, Chef Greg. Can't wait to try it out. We'll be right back outside with more in just a bit. Michael?
We're back out here live on our patio outside the Fox 10 studios. Chef Greg Gamble with us. Right. Now, Greg, we have got some salmon. We've got some asparagus. Tell us what the finished product, the main dish, is expected to be for today.
Okay, so while you have your salmon going on the grill, make sure it's done, make sure it's cooking. We're gonna make a honey glaze.
Oh. So
we're gonna take a little honey. And it's very simple. There's nothing really extravagant. But once that heat hits it, adds a nice caramelization to your salmon, and it gives a nice little flavor. And we're gonna go light on the teriyaki sauce.
Now, any particular brands you need to use, or does any matter?
It really doesn't matter.
It really doesn't matter, okay.
And we're gonna take a pinch of sugar. We're not gonna use too much.
Okay.
And we're gonna sit there, we're gonna mix this in the bowl.
So not having this as part of the dish really takes away from that enhancement you were talking about that this is going to add for the flavor, because that honey glaze, you said, does make a major difference when you take that first bite. It
adds a nice flavor and adds a nice color to it. But I enjoy blackened salmon, and if you don't know how to make your own blackened mix, you can always go to a grocery store and just buy it yourself.
Okay.
But me, I prefer a nice glaze to it. It is a little extra on the end.
It's personal preference.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. Now, for people who may not have watched our first cooking segment, you are a private chef, basically, right? I mean, people call you, you'll do business events, you'll do personal events. They just have to book you, basically, right?
Yes, sir.
How can people get in touch with you?
You can reach me online on Instagram at Chef Greg, and you can also reach me via email at culinarynarcos@gmail.com.
Fantastic. And common spelling for Greg, G-R-E-G?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
So we're gonna get this on here, and we're gonna let this cook on.
That sizzle sound, I'm telling you, since the pandemic started and we haven't been able to do cooking segments in the studio, I've missed the sound of that sizzle that we get from the cooks. And I'm telling you, this is some really good stuff, and it smells delectable.
I appreciate it. You can smell it already. When they start hitting down to the fire, you can start smelling that sweetness. And it's basically gonna add it out, have a little balance into it.
So what's gonna be left to do once we let that sizzle?
We're gonna let that sizzle, let it cook on for a couple of minutes,
Okay.
not too long, because it doesn't take fish long to cook.
Okay.
Really till it start browning, and then we'll start plating. It's time to eat then.
That's the best part, my friend.
That's the best part.
So if you want more information on Chef Greg Gamble, he's got information on his Instagram. We're going to link all of the info on our website, fox10tv.com, right under the Studio 10 tab, and we'll see you to wrap up this delicious dish coming up a little later in the hour.
And it'll be time to eat.
Oh, again, I love that we've got a live chef today. Joe?
We've got our friend Chef Greg Gamble here. We're just talking about stuff, and we got to talk about this food, man. This is looking good.
Smelling good too.
No doubt.
So now we done put the salmon on, that honey glazed and caramelized on top of. You see, it gave it a nice little brown color to it.
It did. I like that coat that's on there too. It looks awesome.
So now it's the fun part. We
Yep.
get to eat it.
That's the most fun part, always. The asparagus looking good. You mentioned you hoping to get a little bit of char on them, and you did just that. Nice work.
Perfect.
So if the folks are just tuning in, they haven't seen the start of the show, tell them a little bit about Chef Greg Gamble and your business and what opportunities you have for our viewers out there.
My name is Gregory Gamble. I have at least 10 years experience with cooking. I've been cooking since I was 16. And I'm a private chef. You can contact me at Culinary Narcos, or you can at gmail.com. And you can also find me on Instagram at ChefGreg_.
Gotcha.
But also, if you like this sweatshirt I have on, you can also purchase it from my website at varsitysuppliers.com. Again, that is varsitysuppliers.com.
Okay. You got a lot of stuff going on.
Got a lot of stuff going, man.
So let's take a look at this plate and this presentation. That looks so good. And Greg, a lot of people after the holidays, they want to eat healthy too. You couldn't ask for a much healthier dish than this.
Oh yeah, also starting in January, I will be doing meal preps.
Okay.
Keep it healthy.
Yeah.
It's a New Year's coming up. I know a lot of people want to have New Year resolutions like losing weight and things of that nature.
Sure.
And don't get no better than this. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring.
I like
you can
that.
have a good meal.
You can see that steam coming off. Let me give this a try.
Pretty good.
That's some of the best salmon I've ever had, man.
I appreciate that.
That is legit. Y'all, give Chef Greg Gamble a call. We have all of his information online, the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. I'm going to toss it back into the studio because I want to eat some more.
We can enjoy this and have fun by the grill.
That's right. That's right. All right, Greg, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you.